Yo, what is good YouTube? Welcome back to another live trade execution. Today we're back on my live account, trading NQ of course. I am kind of late on charts, around 13 minutes late, but it's cool. I kind of have a bias in mind. I do want to see continuations higher on both NQ and ES. Essentially we're just taking a draw on ES as well, so just gonna wait for the reaction that we get off of this, and then could potentially just have a continuation to go higher out of this range, of course, right? Everything looks clean today. We should see nice delivery. We've had internal manipulation at the lows as soon as the market open. Execution will be recorded on my phone and I will post it. And we are potentially in for long, so I just need to wait for this candle closure though. But yeah, essentially, like I said, as in bias entirely, I am just hoping and just wanting to see market continue higher to take out pre-market internals from essentially last week and just simply see continuations. But the only way we are able to catch this is obviously seeing no hesitation at draws and just simply seeing nice displacement without hesitating to reverse off of any kind of soup. We did also put in an SMT which was hard to obviously deliver off of. But essentially, we have taken this major internal right now on ES. We could potentially see a reversal from this area. So I'm gonna play the patient game today. Okay, we got a nice closure. We could potentially just see continuations out of this range. Essentially, if we get a rebalance and then it gets disrespected, we want to see price going higher, of course, and then just simply just catch continuations back out of this range. So yeah, that's essentially what we are hoping for, and most likely gonna have our entry around this area. Okay, I'm in for longs here. We'll post the PNL up in a second. We'll post up the screen recording as well for you guys to kind of see. So we got a very shit spread, but it's cool. So we're in for longs over here. Stop loss below this rebalance opening, so around this area right here, and then just simply for 30 points, which will be around here. So yeah, simply just trying to catch continuations out of this range. Entry was a bit high, it was around here. Okay, so yeah, stop loss, like I said, the low of this opening where it delivered the most, for simple continuations out of this range, and then obviously just seeing market go back to last week's internal highs. So yeah, it looks like a pretty easy day today. I'm gonna be okay. I just made my stop loss a bit smaller. Back to the actual opening price right there. But yeah, essentially, like I said, just continuations. Essentially on a 15-minute time frame as well. Because of just simple manipulation on a 1 minute, I've been focusing more on higher time frame. So essentially, this draw that I'm trying to see get taken, and it is going to get taken. It's just that obviously we had to wait for our pre-market manipulation at these internal liquidity, which is exactly what we got, and then just simply be able to catch continuation off of displacement and delivery on volume, of course, right? But yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping. You guys can just watch the execution. Okay, I haven't hit take profit yet, so it's more than 30 points I've been targeting. I just got edged on my live, but it's cool. We're gonna hold. Oh, immaculate volume. Just waiting for that TP. We are getting edged. And that's TP on my live account. Positive execution as well. But yeah, that's TP bang. What's that? Like a 3-minute execution. But yeah, simple as continuations. Like I said, keeping this shit simple. Obviously there is a lot more to it on why I was so heavy on longs. We've had nice delivery of my model down here. I did get a late entry. Entry should have been way earlier down at this range, but I got markets late. But it's cool. But that's essentially it. That's literally the simplicity of this strategy. Is easy as fuck. Literally takes around 10 minutes to analyze, put everything together, follow rules, and just simple reversals and continuations, but trading it the way I teach. I'm trading reversal sequence, total soup, and SMT, and a few other confluences the way that I teach it to my Discord community, of course. And that's how I was able to maintain 100% win rate so far this week and 100% win rate last week, bringing my total for May's win rate to 94%, which was posted on my Insta. the whole statistics on all the trades that were taken as well. So 94% win rate. I think I only taken 1 or 2 losses. I think it was 1 loss and 2 break evens. But yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, model's easy as fuck, taught in a very easy way, and just strictly trading price action discretion and using the models effectively the way I do with discretion behind it. And that's basically how I'm able, plus a lot of my students are able to have a really high win rate. But yeah, that's basically it for today. And that was essentially the trade. And just a quick trade breakdown. Like I said, we've had our internal manipulation at market open, waiting for a correct displacement of this range, and then just simply catching continuations as the narrative and the bias is all in line. But yeah, that's basically it. Nothing else to add. And I'll post the execution up live screen recording on the screen as well for you guys to see, and the execution PNL as well. But that's it from me today, and I'll catch you guys in the next live execution. Peace.